Yung participation nila
konti test na.
May kami na ka.
Na. Para i-check nato.
Sir, ano mo mas mapakanya?
Wala, sige. Okay. Kita di ba sikit niya yan?
Mas important. Doon nakita mo siya.
Mas masal kami. So ako nagkaroon nila
Maybe say we have to standards, okay? And the last one is harmonization with senior high school curriculum, standardization with higher education and lifelong learning under the leadership of TESDA Secretary of So those are the 10 priority sectors that needs to be addressed in terms of employment based on our consultation with our industry. Actually, hindi nakasama dito yung training courses that are placed here in the different fields, of course, the different sectors, automotive, agriculture, etc., many health, and this is free, aside from that, some base, to say, kanya-kanya, office assistant training. However, ito yung nasa yung economic students sa here or sa website. Ito yung mga call center, okay, about the training. Of course, under Dr. Alin yan. Kasi sabi ko nga, PO, Provincial Office, combined with Father and Million. Okay, next. Okay. MOA, we have the MOA for mass media training.
Would only discover that they are coming from other places. I'd like to ask, do you conduct a so-called survey on training needs or so-called training needs analysis on the part of our target recipients so that we'll be able to provide them the right training for the right person at the right time? Because coming up with higher level of training that should be graduating from NC2 level, probably we need to upgrade, enhance, and advance further so that we will be at par with graduates from other schools or from other countries in our neighboring.
One, two, three, 1, 2.
Ayaw pala. Morning, kung sila.
Si PG may tatama sa kailangan.
Si Miri tapos si ito magkatabi kami.
Iyak naman sa akin.
May mga tao. First week coming.
Okay. Easy ka pa rin eh. Pinapakuha sa'yo pag hindi ka nagsasakit. Agaw ka nang magsakit eh. Kailan? Mamaya? Ha?
Ay, baka tomorrow, sir.
Morning ko.
Mali, just Mahal Commercial Center. Thank you so much for the invitation. Tapno maiamang mo pati at least tayo mga indigent. So, Mahal Commercial Center is trying to unite every martial community dito in Pilipinas, Katirugan, Tagtipagyo.
It's the only view for a fall. Mag-invite kayo pa dito, ganyan people, mabalik. Why?